Hi, how are you today? If you're struggling in learning Git, I have an idea to free you. You need to learn concept of the Git, and I can refer you some awesome video about that, but you don't need to learn all of those commands of the Git and set up the wallpaper of a Git cheat sheet as your desktop wallpaper and some tricky stuff like this to learn Git. You just need to use an awesome tool we called LazyGit. You know, the world is in hand of the laziest people, and I believe this. So let's talk about LazyGit. LazyGit is a kind of Git GUI, and as you see in this picture, you just need to install it and run LazyGit in your terminal, and everything is there. You can see the repository here. It's open source written by Go, and I love this man. Jess is awesome open source builder. Okay, so don't waste time. I want to show you some feature of the LazyGit and what you might be hard to learn of Git commands, and you can use it very, very easily. And also you can learn the concept of the Git by this tool. And let's dive into it. As you know, I'm working on an open source project called repo code review paths, and you can see it's here. We need some contributor to help us. Also, if you like this project, please star and like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm working on a feature of this about crawl the stuff in dashboard, and I want to show you how I used Git and LazyGit for my project, and maybe you're interested in LazyGit and install it and use it, and some say good wishes for me about introduce it to you. So you just need to install LazyGit. It's easy. If you are using on Windows, you can download binary. If you're in Linux, I'm using Arch Linux, and it's here in YAG or Arch user repository. Other Linuxes has the binaries, or in Ubuntu you can install by apt. But after installation, you must to have this LazyGit command here, and when you run it, you can see something like this. I can zoom a little bit for you, and as you can see here, here is my branches, and I can move with my mouse here, but also I can move by keyboard here and select the commits and select my branches, or even move to remotes and check what's happened in the project, select the branch, pick it up and work it on it, or even make a branch easily here by just hitting a keyboard command, or even you can see the guideline of each section here by press X button, and this is the guideline, and you can see all of the Git features here about reverting things or other things. This guide is for branches, and if I close this and go to the commit section, when I press X, you can see I can pick a commit, edit a commit, reward a commit. As you see, I can reward a commit easily, very easily. And you can work with remotes. Also, the best part is that you can fix merge conflicts here by LazyGit. It will offer you two choice to access one of them, but also you can use VS Code for resolving conflict, and here will be synchronized with that. There is nothing to synchronize, it's just the Git in the middle, and both of these are kind of client for Git. Also, it will help you to write, to make your commits better. As you know, in Git CLI, it's hard to take, just add a single file. You must to pick, you must to first git status and check what files you need to commit. Like I want to commit app HTTP kernel. So I must do git add this, but in LazyGit it's very easy. You can just press enter in the file and tell I want just commit these 4 lines, no more, and you can commit these 4 lines. It's very easy and it's awesome. I'm using since years. It's more than a year I'm using this. I think it's about 2 years, and it changes my Git setup, and I think it's better to refer you this awesome tool. If you are newbie to Git or you are master to Git, it will help you too much. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this kind of video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'm working on the code review platform, and you will see more video about code review platform in the next videos. So see you soon. Goodbye.